This is simplifying a ratio of factored polynomials, linear factors. All right, this particular problem has already been given to you in factored form. So all you have to do is reduce the fraction. And I'm going to start with the numbers in front because right here you have 9 over 54. That's 9/54. It's the fraction 9/54. And that can be reduced to 1/6 because 9 goes into itself once and 9 goes into 54 6 times. You have reduced the fraction by 9. You divided the 9 from the numerator, you divided the 9 from the denominator. You can also do that with binomial factors. And when you look at it, you've got this 2u plus 3 in the numerator and another 2u plus 3 in the denominator. It's as if you're saying a 2u plus 3 goes into itself once, and it goes into itself once down here also. That would be no different than having the fraction 5/5. 5/5 reduces to 1 over 1, or just 1. It literally just cancels each other out. Now, unfortunately, the u plus 8 right here, the only way you could reduce that is with another u plus 8. I don't have another u plus 8. I have a u minus 7. So basically what I'm left with in the numerator is a 1 times a 1 times a u plus 8. So I'm just going to have the u plus 8 left in the numerator. Now, since it's its own binomial all by itself, you can drop the parentheses. However, if you put parentheses around that, I don't think Alex would count it wrong. Might want to test that theory. In the denominator, you are left with this 6 and this u minus 7. So I still need this u minus 7. Now that does need to be put inside parentheses to keep it separate from the factor of 6. And 6 times this 1 down here, 6 times 1 is 6. So I really don't need this one, just like I really don't need that one. And I really don't need that one either, because 1 times 1 times u plus 8 is a u plus 8. So that's my answer. It's still ugly, but it's not as ugly as what I started with. But I have reduced it. I have reduced the fraction without actually knowing what u is, what u equals. So click on this little guy and type in u plus 8 in the numerator and 6 times a u minus 7 in the denominator. It says you may leave the numerator and denominator of your answer in factored form. This is in factored form. They don't want you to distribute. They said just leave it like that.